March the 30th, all the way to April 5th. A very happy birthday. But we have some belated birthdays, so let's get started, shall we? This one is for Roy. Happy 5th birthday, Roy. Love mommy, daddy, grandpa, grandma, auntie, uncle, Tina, and Kevin. Next up, she's turning 3. It is Abiella. Love mommy, daddy, and Tina. She's turning 6 years old. It is Sydney. Happy 6th birthday. Sydney. Love mommy, daddy, Scrappy, and Charlie. It is Grace's birthday. She is turning 4. Happy 4th birthday, Grace. Love mom, dad, and James. Next up, it is a huge card.
Oh,
Check
wow.
this out. It is for Seneth, who turned 7 on March the 18th. Love mom, dad, Senya, Haya, Akchi, and Sia.
Don't touch me, Deacon.
Let's check this one out. It is for Riella, who turns
Riella,
4
I don't know
on
who's
March
Riella.
30th. Love mommy, daddy, Jonathan, and Colton. Oh, wonderful card, hey? Next up, this is a tricky one. This is for Neil, who has a birthday on March the 30th. We are proud of you and hope you have a great birthday. From mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, and sister Michelle. Next up, let's check it out. Happy birthday to Weston, who turns 5 on March the 30th. From mom, dad, Kiara, Marty, we love you so, so much, buddy. Now who's turning 8 years old? It is Francis, who turns 8 on March the 31st.
8.
We love your energy and sense of creativity. Keep dreaming big. We love you lots. Love mom, dad, and T-Doc. He's only turning 2 years old, but he is amazing. It is Sam. 2 on March the 31st. Happy birthday, little buddy. Love you. Love mom, dad, Lucy,
Eden,
Allie, and
Come on,
Eugene.
where's Eden?
Look at this little princess who is turning 8 years old. It is Nabiha, who turns 8 on April the 1st. To our sweet and loving daughter, Nabiha, from your dear and loving mom, dad, brother Zakir, and sister Aisha. She is the princess of it all. It is Madeline, who turns 5 on April the 1st. Happy birthday to our little girl who's turning 5. We love you. Have a fun day with lots of surprises. Love, mommy and daddy. Next up, it is Abby, who is turning 6 years old on April the 2nd. We wish you a very happy birthday, Abby. You fill our hearts with joy. We love you so much. Hugs and kisses, mommy, daddy, and Bree Bree. She is also turning 6 years old. It is who turns
come
on
on.
April the 2nd. Happy birthday to my beloved daughter. You have always made me proud of you.
Heidi.
Love, mommy, Nafi. Now she is only turning 1, but she is the
Yay!
birthday ever.
Yay!
Eden. The 2nd. Love from mom, dad, big brother Deacon, and your friends and family around the world. Now this next girl, she loves wild crafts. It is Sienna, who turned 7 on April the 2nd.
Yeah, you see this is in the
They
TV.
said your name, didn't they? They said your big brother Deacon.
Now here's
Did you see that?
another huge card.
Did you see it? Did you see Didi on TV?
On April the 2nd. Happy
Yeah, Didi's.
Happy birthday, Didi!
Happy birthday, Didi. Happy
He said you were
birthday.
so beautiful. Did you hear it? He said you are so
Look at this.
beautiful.
It is for Madeline, who
Ya
turns
estamos listos para la fiestecirris al ratirris.
to our lovely Madeline. Always stay as sweet, smart, generous, and funny as you are. Love always, mommy, daddy, and your baby sister, Rory. Next up, it is Jacob.